Good morning, guys. For today, I'm going to give you a very honest review about Nourish Max products that I'm using, and I'm going to show you how I apply one of this. So, simple background or short background. I started using Nourish Max products last November. So I just have almost like almost 2 months of using this. But with that short span of time, I was able to see a great or significant change on my face. By the way, I do have acne scars, and then before my face was a bit dark. Yeah. So I have this vitamin C plus B plus E serum, and then I have Nourish Max niacinamide, and then I have Nourish Max retinol. So how do I apply them? So every morning I'm putting this. Yep, every morning, and then at night after cleaning my face, I put this one, and then I put retinol twice a week. So the thing there is that these products made my skin first. It made my skin whiter, and it made my skin smoother. And as you notice, it's clearer right now. That's how I assess it. So how do I use this one? To show you, since this is morning, so I'm gonna show you. So I drop a little. Yep. Oops, and then after doing that, just make sure it's clean. Yep, and that's it. Yeah, and then this one. Yep. Yeah, I really noticed. Look, it's really smoother and it's whiter. It's just I have some acne scars. So once I go back to the Philippines, I'm going to ask for like laser. Yep. And then a little for this. Oops. Sorry. And then here. Yep. Massage. Should be gentle. Yeah. And that's it. And then a little on my neck. Just a little. And then that's it. Yep. So yeah. So that's how I put this serum. And then tonight I'm going to put the niacinamide. And then I told you this should be twice or once a week. So what I'm doing for this one, I'm putting every Sunday night and Friday night. So I am loving the result. I'm telling you, I love the result. So again, thank you for Nourish Max, and then I'm looking forward to order the I forgot the facial cleanser. So right now, yeah, I'm waiting for my paycheck. Now I'm going to order because they do have also the facial cleanser, which is based from the review, really good. So I'm going to try that. So thank you, Nourish Max, for this wonderful product. God bless, more power. Bye.